In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe checkout page in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to set up a simple and effective payment method, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by heading over to the Stripe website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in stripe.com. Stripe is a widely used platform that handles billions in business transactions, and it's trusted by companies of all sizes. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, you'll need to sign into your account. If you don't have one already, you can easily create one by following the prompts on their site. Now let's proceed by clicking on the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the web page. You'll then be directed to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your email and password, but make sure you input the correct credentials linked to your Stripe account. As you may already know, safeguarding these details is crucial for maintaining the security of your account. Once you've logged in, the next step is to head straight to your account homepage. After landing there, navigate to the Payments section. It is typically found on the dashboard, offering you various options to manage your financial transactions effectively. In the Payments area, look for the Payment Links option. Payment links are a convenient way to share a link with your customers for them to complete their purchase. Click on Payment Links to begin configuring your new payment setup. Now you'll want to add a product to your payment link. This is the item or service you are selling. Go ahead and enter the details of your product, ensuring everything is accurate to avoid any confusion for your customers. The next step after adding your product is to select the various options related to payment methods. These options allow you to customize how your customers can purchase your product, such as choosing particular currencies or setting up recurring payments if necessary. For more in-depth configuration, you'll find there's a section labeled Advanced Options. By clicking on this, you open a range of additional settings, allowing you to tweak details like shipping, promotional codes, and more intricate payment conditions. After selecting your desired options, you'll typically click on Pay to finalize the product setup. Once everything is set, creating the payment link is the next milestone. By clicking the Create Link button, Stripe will generate a unique URL that you'll use to share with your customers. The last step entails copying this link and embedding it where your customers can easily access it, such as on your website or via email newsletters. And there you have it. You've now successfully created a Stripe checkout page and are ready to start processing payments with ease. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.